It all started with a train ticket, a proper adventure, not a bullet train, but a small local one trundling along at its own happy pace. The seats were soft and green, and I found a perfect window spot to watch the world go by. The train gave a cheerful toot, ready for the journey. I had a bag of snacks and a map, but getting a bit lost is half the fun. We left the busy city behind, the clatter of tracks fading as the scenery changed. The other passengers were locals, an old lady with a kind smile, school children chatting, and a friendly conductor clicking tickets. No complicated machines, just a classic train ride into the countryside. I watched as city buildings gave way to small houses, then open fields. The air through the window was fresh, smelling of grass and earth. The gentle rocking of the train was soothing, perfect for a day of discovery. We stopped at every little station, some just a platform and a wooden sign. People greeted each other with waves. This train was a thread connecting villages. I felt lucky to be a quiet observer on this journey. The countryside rolled by, green and peaceful. The train wasn't in a hurry, and neither was I. Each stop brought a new scene, a new story. The best adventures always start with a slow train ride. I didn't know exactly what to expect, but I knew it would be special. Sometimes the journey is the destination. And this one was off to a cracking start. As we chugged through Gifu, the mountains rose around us, soft, green and mysterious, mist clinging to their tops. The train slipped into tunnels, popping out to new breathtaking views. We followed a sparkling river, crossing old iron bridges, the water clear enough to see the stones below. Fishermen stood patiently on the banks, a picture of peace. The landscape felt timeless, wild, and wonderful. Tiny villages nestled in the valleys, houses with dark tiled roofs and smoke curling from chimneys. Neat rice paddies shimmered in the sun, a testament to hard work. The stations were charming, with wooden signs and sometimes a cat snoozing on a bench. The journey itself became the destination. I was in no rush, just soaking in the green and the quiet. Each moment out the window was a new discovery. The world outside felt untouched, a step back in time. And soon our hidden town was just ahead. The train slowed for the last time. Gujo Hachiman. I stepped off and heard it, the sound of water everywhere. This is a Mizu no Machi, a water town, where water runs through its very veins. Gujo Hachiman is a hidden gem, not on the main tourist trail. The town is famous for its pure water, summer dance festival, and lifelike food replicas. But it's the water that defines everything. It flows from the mountains, clean and cold, shaping the town's life. Public fountains offer fresh spring water. I tried some, delicious and refreshing. Locals wash vegetables in clever canal systems, keeping the water clean downstream. The sound of water is a constant companion, peaceful and soothing. The town's layout and daily rhythm revolve around it. People here cherish and protect their water. It's a living example of harmony with nature. I felt privileged to explore this remarkable place. The adventure was just beginning. Walking Gujo Hachiman felt like exploring a maze designed by a water-loving artist. Narrow, winding streets run alongside crystal-clear canals, lined with smooth stones and darting fish. Traditional wooden houses hug the water, some with steps leading right down to it. Bridges, stone, wood and concrete, crisscross the town, each offering a new view. The Miyagasi Bridge is famous. Local kids leap into the river below in summer. The town's design encourages you to slow down, listen and explore. The sound of water is everywhere, calming and ever-present. Each corner reveals a new scene, a shrine, an old house, a widening canal. The town invites you to wander, get a little lost, and discover its beauty step by step. It's a place where water and life are inseparable. Every bridge and lane tells a story. Here exploration is a gentle adventure, a proper walking town indeed. In Gujo Hachiman, water is part of daily life. I watched a woman rinse vegetables at a kawabata, a special washing spot by the canal. The clever system keeps water clean for everyone downstream. Koi carp glide through the clear canals, symbols of the water's purity. Locals care for them, and their presence means the water is healthy. Shops are small and family-run. I met a craftsman making sampuru, the town's famous fake food models. Everyone was welcoming, proud to share their traditions. The sense of community was strong. People greeted each other, children played safely. Preparations for the Gujo Odori dance festival were underway, lanterns and stages appearing. The festival brings the whole town together for nights of music and dance. Even before it started, excitement filled the air. 4 centuries of tradition, alive and well. Life here flows with the river, peaceful, connected, and full of heart. High above town sits Gujo Hachiman Castle, perched on a hill and often shrouded in mist. The climb up was worth it. The view revealed the town's patchwork of roofs, trees, and winding rivers. From above, you see how water connects everything. The castle, rebuilt in the 1930s, is one of Japan's oldest wooden reconstructions. Inside, displays tell the story of samurai lords and the town's history. Down below, I explored more bridges, each with its own character. Shimbashi Bridge is another spot for daring river jumps. Smaller stone bridges arch gracefully over narrow canals, perfect for pausing and listening to the water. The old town square, ringed by merchant houses, is home to the Sogisui Spring, one of Japan's purest waters. People come from afar to collect it. It's the town's lifeblood. The spring is a living link to the past. Everything here revolves around water. A truly remarkable place. What struck me most was Gujo Hachiman's peaceful spirit. It's quiet but full of gentle life, the sound of water washing away any stress. Tradition isn't just remembered, it's lived every day. People care for the waterways, maintain old houses, and pass down crafts. The Gujo Odori dance is the heart of the community, not just a show for visitors. My journey here was a reminder. The best adventures are often off the beaten path. Small towns like this have their own magic, revealed by walking their streets and meeting their people. It's about finding beauty in the simple things. If you're ever in Japan, take a detour, hop on a local train and see where it leads. There are hidden gems like Gujo Hachiman everywhere. Discover the countryside, the mountains, the true heart of the country. You might find a peaceful water town, a friendly face, or a new perspective, and that's the best souvenir of all, a cracking good adventure.